Tesla can't charge because the charger is broken. Don't spend $10,000 or $20,000 to replace it with a new one. This can repair Tesla's charger. There are many chargers that are broken. This half of the road in the middle has been disconnected, and the others are all direct, no problem. It means that only the middle electrical board is broken. Let's dismantle it first, tin the solder joints, and take out the circuit board. Massage. Let's take a look at this circuit board. This circuit board is burned out. This pole is also burnt black. Fix the burned circuit board. Remove this circuit board and use it. Check according to the table. The pressure drop of the switching tube is normal. This way, you can also install the repaired circuit board back normally. The charger has been repaired, saving the car club a lot of money. Audience brother will help you understand electric cars better.